So this is our old blender, the Moulinex blender, made of plastic. It's been very strong, very sturdy. It served its purpose for 12 years, never broke down on us. It only has 2 settings though. But as for the new product, I like it. It looks sophisticated, it looks nice, the glass jug is very sturdy, looks like it's gonna blend well, and it has a lot more features. And the old one just had 2 settings, just 1 setting and a pulse, but the new one has got a pulse and 2 settings. We're going to have a lot of fun making smoothies in this. I'm not really much of a smoothie person, but now I think this has definitely converted me into a smoothie maker, and I can't wait to try it. Maybe I'll bring you some smoothie recipes in the future, who knows. So thank you very much for all the time that you've spent on this channel.